My name is Mario Guarin. I am 58 years old. I am a civil engineer. I am married. We have two daughters, April and Ana Maria. My wife Claudia takes care of the house. We live in the city of La Partada, Córdoba. On vacation, we travel to the city of Los Córdobas. We are going the last weekend of November because Annie, my daughter, have competition of roller skates in the city Los Córdobas. It is on vacation is very short in Los Córdobas. After we are going to the Barranquilla city. We are going to stay at the hotel and the apartment of my sister located in the Puerto Colombia city. In Los Córdobas, we are going to the racing, the roller skate, and later we are going to the swim in the beach. We are going to wear t-shirt, sweatshirt, tennis, and we are use solar protection along of the competition. And later we are swimsuit. We are going to pay in the hotel 1 million. More other outlay in the beach. I'm going to my wife and my daughter Ana Maria and Abril. Thanks